Good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Today is the 25th of August, the monthly expiry, and markets again gapped up. We have seen a swing of 17,950 से लेके 17,350 तक, and from 17,350 we are again back to 17,700. So in this week itself, the markets have made a more than 1,000 point swing already. And with this gap up, 17,700 पे काफी ज्यादा straddles build up हो चुका है, and we expect that the market should be trading between this 17,730 this gap filling zone can be acting as a good resistance for the day, and niche this 17,650 should be ideally the support if at all we need to believe the strength of the markets. If not, then 17,600 will be the final support for the day. So I'm working with the fact that this 17,730 will act as a good amount of resistance, and जब तब तक मैं मेरा position को change नहीं करने वाला हूँ. Currently the position is a 200 point triangle, 17,600 puts and 17,800 calls, which are trading pretty much equal to each other. But थोड़ा भी market नीचे आ जाता है, then there will be some amount of skew that starts to develop with the puts. So I'll be okay to let these calls reach up till like 14, 15. From that point onwards, probably I'll do some amount of damage control. But till that point, I'll be okay. And similarly on the downside, ये जो line mark किया है, जहां से market पहले first 5 minutes में पहले try किया था, and उसके बाद it came down, took the support at the day's low, again broke this level, right? So this will act as a support now. So जब तक ये लेवल ब्रीच नहीं होता है तब तक आई विल बी होल्डिंग ऑन टू दिस पुट्स, बिकॉज पुट्स का स्प्रेड्स देखेंगे तो दिस इज 12.75 एंड दिस इज 7 point something. So even if this spikes to, let's say, 17,600 spikes to somewhere around 15 rupees also, I'll be comfortable in rolling down the puts to 17,550, because at that point of time this 17,550 will be available somewhere around 9 rupees. So that's a decent enough uh, spread for me. So from that point onwards, if this reaches 15 rupees, I'll be risking this 17,600 puts to 17,550, and that would be the end of the adjustments, at least for that point of time. But on the call side, the threat is real, because of course, like, the puts saw some amount of overreaction the moment this swing got broken. But okay, I guess currently close to around 2 points up. तो इसको मैं इस पुट्स को मैं कब तक होल्ड करूंगा, बिकॉज आई फील दैट दीज पुट्स हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू इन देम, एंड इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे मैं कॉल की तरफ ना मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा रिस्क लेना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज द कॉल्स हैव बीन एट द कॉल्स आर प्रीटी, आई एम सॉरी, द कॉल्स आर प्रीटी चीप नाउ. Correct. So this 6 rupees, if we see one big candle, one big engulfing candle, this 6 rupees will immediately spike back to 10 rupees. So इस point of time पे अगर मैं 750 calls पे आ जाऊंगा, then that's not. I don't think in my opinion I don't think it's a good decision. तो अभी मेरा plan ये रहेगा कि चलो भाई इन 550 puts को 800 calls को manage करेंगे, because we still have around 14 15 points in them, and probably 1.5 points, another 13 points तो है. तो let's not try to be greedy today, because अभी मैं already एक बड़ा loss से मैं recover कर रहा हूँ, right? Usually देखो, it no matter how good of a trader you are, no matter how much experience you have, whenever a big loss happens, it tries to, it questions your ability, correct? It questions your judgment, it questions your skill set. तो जब भी बड़ा loss होता है, I make sure that for the next, at least for the 5 6 sessions, till I slowly build my confidence back up, I don't try to take uh, big risks. So all right, time is 12:30, and हमने already काफी ज़्यादा commotion देख ही लिए थे, because once this broke the day's low, which was a very important price action support considering the low premium regime, and we had to dipped below the day's low, and we sustained there for almost 15 minutes, and that resulted in a lot of put side expansion. Just to give you perspective, a 100 point OTM put spiked by 8 9 rupees in a matter of minutes, and within this candle, in this candle, all the puts just got dead. They just lost their entire value, and यहाँ पे मुझे risk off करना पड़ा, and वापस आने के time पे calls को risk off करना पड़ा. तो I got stuck. Basically, I got stuck on both the sides, but nonetheless, we are looking at a mark to market of somewhere around 5 points. I'm 5 points plus, and I'm sitting on this 17,800 and 17,600 option. And I'll be waiting for this swing, to be broken, for these puts to be taken away. So I'll be waiting for somewhere around 8 rupees for these puts to be taken away. तब तक मैं इसको होल्ड कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज जब तक ये ब्रीच नहीं होता तब तक मैं करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज बैंक निफ्टी हैज ऑल्सो बैंक निफ्टी इज ऑल्सो टेस्टिंग द ब्रेकआउट लेवल को टेस्ट कर रहा है। तो आइडियली यहाँ से एक पुश आना चाहिए। अगर पुश नहीं भी आएगा ना, अगर यहाँ पे जो लोग स्टॉप लॉस रखते हैं उनका स्टॉप लॉस को लेके देन मार्केट अगर ऊपर जाना चाहता है, देन प्रोबेबली इट विल बी taking a support at this point. So by that time, Nifty will also come here and these put options will be spiking to somewhere around 8 and I can wait up till 8. तो 8 तक मैं वेट कर सकता हूँ एंड जैसे ये 8 टच होगा देन फ्रॉम 600 आई गो टू 550 एंड दैट शुड बी द एंड ऑफ द होल डेज एडजस्टमेंट बिकॉज मार्केट अभी फिर से बीच में आ गया है विद इन द डेज रेंज एंड आई थिंक जब जब तक ये 720 लेवल्स ब्रीच ना होता एंड जब तक ये लेवल 17660 ब्रीच ना होता है आई थिंक दिस option should be good to hold. All right, time is 6:14 in the evening and I'm recording the final bit of the video now because the previous clip which I recorded, I forgot to connect the mic and it was completely muted out. So I'm recording the final clip of the video here and what markets, I mean this has been the expiries pretty much every alternate week, right? So every expiry मतलब अभी expiry का कैसे चल रहा था पहले I had the record of not losing in a single expiry for 50-60 expiries straight. 50 to 60 expiries में exact count पता नहीं है, 50 to 60 expiry में I've never had a losing expiry. कुछ भी हो I used to end in the profit. But आजकल का एक्सपायरी ऐसे हो रहा है, वन एक्सपायरी यू मेक प्रॉफिट एंड अनदर एक्सपायरी यू कम आउट ब्रेक इवन, अनदर एक्सपायरी एक माइनर प्रॉफिट रहेगा एंड अनदर एक्सपायरी यू आर बाउंड टू टेक अ लॉस. So up until this point it was all okay, though I got bluffed multiple times because देखो यहाँ पे it broke the day's low, all right, broke the day's low, triggered all the puts, and then it broke the day's high, triggered all the close calls, CTM calls, and after that, what happened can only be described as carnage. If you want to look at this, the 17500 put option from 50 paise, it made a high of 23 rupees. Can you guys imagine that? So from a mark to market of plus 75k, I am closing in at 46,000 negative, which is around more than half a percent negative. But with these kinds of chiller premiums and with this kind of a move, expiries are getting like harder and harder to trade. तो पहले ऐसा रहता था कि एक्सपायरी में चलो भाई, इफ यू आर एन ऑप्शन सेलर एंड इफ यू आर डूइंग नॉन डायरेक्शनल इंडिया, इफ यू आर डूइंग डायनामिक एडजस्टमेंट्स, 8 to 9 out of 10 expiries you would be profitable or at least break even. आजकल का एक्सपायरी ऐसे हो रहा है कि every alternate expiry, the expiries are handing out losses to the traders, especially non-directional traders. So anyway, I hope you guys had a good expiry from almost plus 70 plus 80k. I'm closing in at minus 46k. So basically last आधे घंटे में from 3 o'clock से यहाँ तक almost we lost 1.1 lakh, close to 13-14 points. 13-14 points कमाने के लिए पूरे दिन रगड़ते हैं and that gets taken away by the markets in just like half an hour. So that feels bad. I'm not gonna say that I'm a trader, I'll be emotionless, ऐसे वैसे. I have to have emotions. Without emotions, there's nothing in life. But these are the days when which makes us stronger, right? Like ऐसे दिन को, ऐसे हफ्ते को, ऐसे महीने को अगर हम झेल गए, तो in the long run, of course, I'm very confident in the long run. But short term hurdles हमेशा आने वाली है, आपको भी आने वाला है. But the only thing is that make sure that you don't take a big dent to your account. Apart from that, all is well, right? I hope you guys had a good expiry, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next trading video. Bye bye.